Hey you guys, so jumping right into this tutorial, I'm taking Beauty UK's Pro Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Electric Blue, and I'm just kind of sketching out where I want my cut crease to be and kind of sketching out the shape of this whole eye look. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend the top of that out. Now I'm taking the Urban Decay Wired palette, and as you can see when you open this palette up, half of the shades are for the face, body, and eye, and the other half is for the face and body. You guys, I don't pay attention to that disclaimer at all, and I just use all the shades on my eye. I'm probably not supposed to do that, but you know, do it at your own risk. But anyway, I'm taking the shade Chaos and just blending that out even further. Now what I'm taking is the shade Fluorescent, which is that sky blue, and I'm just going to keep on blending. Now we're going in with the shade Current, and I'm just placing that on the center of my lid. Going in with Jolt, which is that beautiful lime green, and we're just placing that on either side of Current. Now I'm just going in with Hank & Henry's Propaganda, which is that third purple in the row, and I'm just going to line my eyes as well as create a wing. Now I'm taking Lucid, which is that second purple in the row, and I'm just taking this up above that liner that we put down, and then here in a minute you'll see I'll connect the two liners together with some tiny little lines. Now going in with Miss Thang, which is that purple pink at the top, I'm just creating another wing below the first wing that we put down. I'm also placing this same shade in my waterline. Now I'm going back in with that Pro Gel eyeliner, and I'm just creating another wing, kind of going down a bit from the lower lash line. And I'm also blending that out ever so slightly. I'm also creating an inner corner with this gel liner as well. Now we're going back in with Chaos and Fluorescent, and I'm just blending out that liner that we just put down. Going in with Prissy, which is that bottom liquid lipstick, and I'm just creating some lines going from that blue liner to that kind of purpley pink liner. Adding some glitter. And adding some lashes. These are Beat Gang lashes in the style Libra. And shameless little plug, you guys, if you use the code BRIA at checkout, you can save some money. And that is the final look, you guys. I used the same liquid lipsticks that we used on our eyes for my brows and my lips, and I really love how this look turned out, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.